Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Chunovek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. So in today's video, it's a vlog. It's 24th of December, so I'll be taking you all with me to show you how we celebrate our Christmas. My husband is from Slovakia, so this is how we celebrate our Christmas. My YouTube channel is all about the hour for hair growth, motherhood, and vlog. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. So guys, this is just me doing my skincare, pamper, and all that. So let's get started. So this is what our table looks like. This is where we set the table for the Xmas celebration. That's what it looks like. And hubby is frying chicken. We eat chicken and potato salad. I'll show you all the food pretty soon. So guys, this is our Christmas table. My sister is over there. Say hi, big sis.
Hi. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Thank you for that. Babe, say hello. Babe, it's Christmas. Just look cool. Say Merry Christmas at least. Say Merry Christmas.
Okay. Merry Christmas for everyone.
Thank you. And little angel is at the back. Mama, Boo Boo. Where's she? Yeah, see her. See her. Yes, say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. Yeah, so let's get the party started. Don't mind my look. I just come back from birthday party.
Yeah, your pampers. That post is fine.
No posting for her. It's not both of all of them picture. Hey, he don't want to walk. See, everybody's there cooking, and you were here. Just a memory. It's all these things I'm doing. All these videos I'm doing. You know, this is memory. Our first Christmas as a family.
Yeah, when Mia
Miyush.
came.
Yes. Maybe it's okay. It's 10 minutes, right?
It's 18 seconds.
18 seconds. When I read how the food finished,
You gather it and put as your video.
yes, it's YouTube keeps memory
Okay.
for someone. Even if it's only when you delete it by yourself. That is when you're able to delete the memory. But if you leave it there, it can stay there 100 years. And sometimes I see videos of 8 years ago, 10 years ago. If you click on YouTube and say how to boil hot water, you see it's 10, 20 years ago.
Wow.
When technology started coming out. So that's one thing I know about YouTube.
Kyung.
Now, wow. Yes. What? I'm also taking your food. Cut it. It's okay. Touch the gift. Touch the gift. You can touch the gift.
Nigeria is stressful.
Touch the gift, baby. You know how to touch the gift. Mama. Titi. Hey, baby. See? See? Gift. Hey, no, don't. It's after dinner. After dinner. Piyush, no, it's after dinner. Yes, after dinner. So we're just playing around. Hubby loves to play a lot. I wanted to change the way he put the presents, but he was just dragging me, saying no, leave it like that. And yeah, so in his country, they do their Xmas dinner and opening of gifts and everything on the 24th. I think other European country does that. So we're just going to, celebrate Christmas like this and stay with family and loved ones. And I hope you enjoy this our little tradition. Chicken. So everything is ready, food is ready, everybody's waiting for us to start eating. I cooked jollof rice, Nigeria jollof rice, and some grilled chicken, and this is the potato salad, and this is the chicken he was frying, and we'll just enjoy the meal. Guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. I wish you all the amazing New Year. Thank you all for what you have done for me this 2022. It was an amazing year. I met so many people in this whitey street. I can't take you all for granted. I love you guys so much. This is a beautiful holiday for everyone. Take care of yourself, and that fruit bowl, will eat those later. Everybody is here and the dinner is about to start, apart from two of my guests that my daughter's godmother and her guests that are supposed to come, and they're still on their way. So we're going to snap some pictures and we'll start digging food. So hopefully maybe I will vlog it, the remaining part of it. The noise doesn't mean I'm going to do a voice note. Yeah. So we decided to while away time by snapping some family pictures while we wait for our other guests to arrive. And baby girl was just in this is her first Christmas. Like, this is our first Christmas as a family of 3. So I'm just so excited. Like, last year I was heavily pregnant for her, and this year she's growing. Like, her birthday is next year. So many fun things, so many catch up. Like, I just don't know what to say again, fam. I'm just happy. I'm grateful. Thank you all for the love, the support. I am so grateful. I'm happy to have you all in my life, and yeah, so please keep on watching. And after, we're just waiting for my husband to finish what he was doing so that we can do a toast, and also my sister and her friend to come around so we can, like, enjoy ourselves. And the hobby is here, so it's time for us to do a toast. And this is us making a toast to life, to good health. My sister is not yet here anyway, so but we did a toast on her behalf because everybody's hungry. So we did a toast, and we started to dig in and ate the food. And not quite long she came, because she was around the corner, so not quite long she came and she joined the celebration, and we started eating and enjoying ourselves. So fam, I don't know what to say, so I'm just going to put some music and let you all enjoy the rest of the vlog. I'll see you all in a bit. So fam, this is our cake. It's time for us to have some cake, some Christmas cake. Hubby made the Christmas cake. So after cutting the cake, we'll open the gifts. here my daughter is opening her gift. She was so happy and excited. Like, she's so happy that grandma, grandpa, papa and mama and her aunties and her godparents gifted her beautiful gift, and she was so happy about that. Like, she could not she could see the joy in her face when she was just opening the gift. I had to help her to open it anyways, so but she was happy about the gift. And thank you all for following us throughout this journey. We really appreciate you all. And thank you. Merry Christmas, everyone. So we are done, guys. We're done with the Christmas dinner. This is how we celebrate Christmas. This is how my husband celebrates Christmas, and this is how we celebrate our Christmas. This is our first Christmas as a family. So we are washing the dishes. Papa is helping me to wash the dishes and clean up the kitchen. Everybody has gone home. Baby girl is sleeping. Don't mind my stomach. This is stomach of someone that has finished eating rice and salad and chicken. We'll go to the gym by next year. So I'm cleaning everywhere. I love coming in the morning to see a clean kitchen. I don't know who else loves that, but I love that. So I love seeing my kitchen clean when I come into my kitchen in the morning. So I'm just taking care of everywhere. Thank you all so much for the love and for the support. We appreciate. And Merry Christmas to everyone, as I said earlier, and Happy New Year. So bye, guys. Love you all.